One of the newer features that Flipgrid has to offer is the ability to create shorts. Shorts are little videos that you are creating, and the nice thing about them is it's done completely within the Flipgrid platform, so you don't need any special equipment for it. Shorts are a little bit different because they are going to not be attached to any topic or grid that you've created. They essentially are going to be stored in your Shorts section or Shorts tab of your Flipgrid platform. As you begin creating these short videos, they're going to appear here and they'll be able to be accessed when you share a link with your students. So again, these shorts are not going to be attached to your grid and you don't need to add it as a topic, and you're not necessarily looking for your students to respond. These shorts are really great ways for you to be able to say hello to your students or to share stories. You might want to use it as a way to record yourself reading. If you would like to explain directions or show some problem solving, you can work with these shorts. Shorts are really easy to share because each short is going to create its own unique URL link that you can then share with your students in any way that you would normally share some digital media, whether it's in an email form or in a OneNote notebook or through Edmodo. So I'm going to jump in here and show you how you are going to begin recording a short, because I'm sure that there are many ways that you can use this feature. So when you log into flipgrid.com, you'll enter your Office 365 username and password. And then up top, you're going to see your activity and your grids. And you're going to scroll all the way to the right-hand side and click on Shorts. And you're going to be brought to My Shorts page. So basically, My Shorts is going to access the camera. And when you go and click Record a Short, it's going to launch your camera. Once your camera opens up, you're going to see a series of tools on the bottom, and you can click through these and experiment with them. The first one is going to be some filters, so this will allow you to apply different filters to yourself. The second one is going to give you the ability to add some text to your screen. The third one is going to be some stickers. There are many stickers that Flipgrid has to offer, so you can search by a keyword or just scroll through and click through the different topics. Another feature that is going to be really a good feature that you might want to explore is the ability for you to do some live drawings. When you click on the board icon, it's going to give you the option to turn your screen into a whiteboard or a blackboard where you can then live write on your screen. So if I click on the whiteboard, I've now engaged a whiteboard feature, and I can use some of the drawing tools to go in here and to use either the mouse or the touchscreen feature on my computer, work out some problems. So maybe you want to draw something, maybe you want to do some problem solving. When you are all finished with that, you can click the clear button up top and it will undo any writing that you did. And then to toggle out of your whiteboard or your chalkboard, you'll click on that paint bucket icon and toggle off the clear boards. That's going to then launch you back into your camera mode. When you are ready to record your short, you are going to just click on this little video camera down below, and it's going to give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown. Now you can say hello to your students, and this will record anything that you might like to say. If you need to pause at any time, you can click the pause button and it stops recording. If you want to redo it, you can click the redo button. Or you can scroll through and click next to work on finalizing. One other feature I really like is the ability to add a little post-it note here. So if you want to include some notes for yourself to help you remember what you want to say, you can write that right here and it won't show up in your final video. So once you're ready, you can click through the next screen. If you wanted to edit it, you could click on your film roll and you can trim your video up if you wanted to cut anything out. And when you're done with that, you can click confirm. As you click through the next It's going to then ask you for your next step, which would be to take a selfie of yourself. If you want to include any stickers in there, you can go and do that. You can move them around, you could make them bigger. And then once you click on the camera, it is going to take a selfie of you. You'll continue by clicking on the next button, and this is now going to process your video, and you'll see that this video is now posted to your Shorts page. So when you want to share the link for these videos, all you need to do is log back on to Flipgrid and go to your My Shorts tab. Click on the short that you want to share and click on the link and that says copy. You can paste this link in any place that works for you. So for instance, if I wanted to now paste this link into a OneNote notebook, I could put that right in here and it will embed that right into the notebook that your students can now click on it and watch your short. The nice feature about putting this short into a OneNote notebook is that it is not taking up any room in your notebook because the link is hosted someplace else. So this means that you don't have to worry about your notebooks getting very large in size because the video does not actually live here. At any point you would like to delete one of the shorts that you made, you can do that by clicking on your short and scrolling down and selecting the delete short, and it's going to then ask you if you want to permanently remove this. When you check off the button, you can hit delete and you no longer will have that short there. I am sure that there are many ways that you can use this, so start experimenting, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.